Okay, good morning, class. Are you ready for study today? Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our class, anyone absent today? Okay. Before we start and begin our class, maybe we should pray together. Baziza, please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you. Okay. Can anyone remember about the last week material? Okay, the last week material is about a narrative text. Anyone knows about the narrative text? Mbak Syifa bisa? Okay, thank you. Okay, today we have new materials about the descriptive text. Okay, descriptive text. Why we should learning about the descriptive text? By learning the descriptive text, you will find it easier to explain or tell something to others. In life, we usually use the descriptive text to describe situation or others. Jadi, tujuan dari pembelajaran descriptive text ini itu adalah biar di kehidupan kita sehari-hari kita tuh bisa menjelaskan kepada teman kita atau keluarga kita ketika ada yang perlu dijelaskan secara detail gitu. Okay, the today materials is about a descriptive text. The first is definition of descriptive text, the second purpose of descriptive text, and the third structure of the descriptive text, the fourth language features, the fifth example, and the last is assignment. Okay, any one of you have a favorite idol maybe? No? Okay, Mbak Meli, kira-kira siapa favorite idolnya? Why you idolize him? Okay. Okay. We move to definition of the descriptive text. Okay, definition of the descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of text that describes or explains the person, place, thing, or events in detail. It purpose to give the reader clear picture so they can imagine the subject well. Jadi definisi dari descriptive text itu adalah salah satu teks yang bisa mendeskripsikan sesuatu seperti orang, tempat, atau hal lainnya secara detail kepada orang lain. Nah, tujuannya itu buat agar pembaca atau pendengar itu bisa menggambarkan secara jelas, untuk berimajinasi secara jelas apa yang kita deskripsikan gitu. Oke. Lanjutnya, purpose of descriptive text. Mbak Azizah bisa baca? Nah, oke, terima kasih. Jadi, tujuan descriptive text itu untuk menjelaskan secara spesifik tentang sesuatu, juga agar pendengar dan membaca itu bisa membayangkan apa yang kita jelaskan secara rinci. Gitu. Oke, the structure in descriptive text, descriptive text is have two structure, generic structure. The first is identification and the second is description. Mas Fajar, can you read about identification first?
Identification is introduced the object, person, place, or animal. Right? But help the reader know how to answer.
Okay. So, identification is untuk menjelaskan, introduce, untuk memperkenalkan terlebih dahulu objek atau sesuatu yang akan kita jelaskan. And then the second is description. Mbak Hani bisa jelaskan? Okay. Okay. Okay, in this description is provide detailed information about the object, features, qualities, characteristics, or parts. Jadi dalam description itu menjelaskan secara detail apa yang akan kita informasikan. Kan di identification kita udah menjelaskan secara awalnya apa yang akan kita jelaskan kepada orang lain. Nah, di description itu menjelaskan secara detail apa yang akan kita jelaskan. Oke. Selanjutnya ada language filter. Language filter, the descriptive text has 7 language filter. The first is specific participants. Second, the adjective. Third, simple present tense. Fourth, action verbs. And then linking verb, adverbs, and the last is figurative language. Mbak Aura, can you read about the specific participant and adjective? Okay, thank you. And then, Naila, can you read about the sample present tense until linking verb? Okay, terima kasih. Dan Mbak Aulia, can you read the adverb and figurative language? Yes. And then the figurative language. Okay, thank you. Okay, we move to the example of the descriptive text. Nah, there are the example, like my idol is Taylor Swift. She is a famous singer, songwriter, and actor from the United States. Many people around the world admire her form, the talent, and personality. Aziza, can you continue the read? Yeah, the second paragraph. Okay, thank you. So, in this example, there is describe about Taylor Swift. In the first paragraph that I read before is introduction, introduce about Taylor Swift early, and then the second paragraph that Mbak Aziza read is description. So in the description, tell about detail description about Taylor Swift. Okay. Okay. We move to group assignment. You will be divided to 3 group. Manaila, Shiva, and Salva is the first group. And then Mbak Hani, Aulia, Mameli, sama Mbak Alfi is the second group. And then Mbak Azizah, Mbak Aurel, Mbak Eva, Mas Ardi, dan Mas Fajar is the third group. Okay, let's move your chair to your friends. Okay, saya akan menjelaskan tugasnya dulu ya. The first group will describe about Emma Watson, like in the photo. And the second group about Cristiano Ronaldo. And the third group is about Marty. You will create the descriptive text of some idols, and you give a structure in your description. And then time of group discussion is 30 minutes. And after discussion, you will be presented it in 5 minutes. Group 1. Group 2. Okay, time's up. Eyes on me, guys. Okay. After you make a descriptive text, can you explain and present it in front of class? Mbak Aziza, can you? Super nice. Okay. Okay, thank you. Give applause to Mbak Aziza. Okay, you can explain it and about the descriptive text, and you have a great description about the Mark Lee, but you have something missed in your description. Okay, okay. Um, we have end of the class. So what about what we learn about today? Okay. Are you enjoying? Okay. Okay. Also, before we end our class, uh, for the next week, we will learn about free context. So, persiapkan materi kalian di rumah untuk minggu berikutnya. And before we end our class, Mbak Aziza, can you lead the pray? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for your attention, guys. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.